Okay, children. Now, exercise 1.4 third bit is there. What is the third bit? Round these numbers to the nearest thousands. Round these numbers to the nearest thousand. So that is the third bit. So nearest thousands. What are thousands? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. These are thousands we should take. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. Okay. One more 10,000 is also you may write it. But already I said, if nearest 10 means 10, 20, 30. Nearest hundreds means 100, 200, 300, 400 like that. Similarly, thousands means like this. If I have given a number, okay, 1,12,368. Okay, 1,12,368. So how many places we should take here means we want to write the nearest thousands. For that, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So up to this 4 you have to take 2, 3, 6, 8. 2,368. What is the nearest thousand to this number? What is the nearest thousand? So remember this. If here we have 2,500. This is exact middle between which one? 2000 and 3000. 2500 is exact middle. So if the given number is before 2500, then the nearest 1000 is what? 2000. If the given number is after 2500, then the closer one is what? 3000. Remember that. That's it. So 2368. It is what? It is before 2500. So the nearest thousand is what? 2000. So what we should write? First two numbers we write as usual. 1, 1. But what is the nearest thousand for this? 2000. Now write the commas like this. Okay. One more number is given. 2,26,946. Okay, nearest thousands means up to thousands digit you should take. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So up to this 6946. 6,900. So it exists between which one? 6,000 and 7,000. It is lying between 6,000 and 7,000. What is the middle number to both of them? 6,500 is the middle number. Is it more than 6,500 or less than 6,500? It is more than 6,500. So it is closer to which thousand? 7,000. So what is the number we should write in this place? We should write 2, 2. After that 7,000 we have to write. Okay, like this we can write the nearest thousands to the given numbers. It is the third bit in exercise 1.4. Just observe that. What is the first number given? 9,77,648. 9,77,648. What is the number we should take? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Till this one you have to take. 7,468. It is between which one? It is between 7,000 and 8,000. What is the middle number to 7,000 and 8,000? 7,500 is the middle number. It is less than 7,500. So it is nearer to which thousand? 7,000. So nearest thousand. What is the nearest thousand to it? 9,77,000. Okay, that is the nearest thousand to the given number. And the next B, 35,502. What is the nearest thousand? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands you should take. So 5,502. What is the nearest thousand to this one? 5,000. 5,000 means 5,000 and 6,000 it existed. So middle number is what? 5,500. It is 5,502 means more. That's why the nearest thousand is what? 6,000. So instead of this place, what we should write? Nearest thousand. What is the nearest thousand? 3 should as usual. 5,502. What is the nearest one? 6,000. Like this we have to write. Okay. Complete that third bit in exercise 1.4. Rounding of the numbers to the nearest thousands. So in this exercise we have discussed rounding the numbers to nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. Now the next topic is Roman numbers. What is our next topic? Roman numbers. Roman numbers. In 4th class also we have Roman numbers. So the Romans use some symbols to represent the numbers. What are the main symbols? Means there are 7 main symbols. First one is I. It is what? 1. Next one what? V. It is how much? 5. Next one is what? X. It is what? 10. Okay. Next. After that L. L means what? 50. Next one C. C means 100. Next D. D means 500. And M. M means what? 1000. So these are the 7 main symbols we have to remember in Roman letters. Okay. If we ask you to write the numbers in Roman numbers, what we should write? I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M is how much? 1000. So now if any number we wanted to write, how can we write? I have said that 1 means 1 line, I. 2. How can I write 2? 2 means what we should write? We should take 2 lines. So this is how much? 2. Next 3. 3 means what? 3 lines gives 3. Okay. For 1 and 2, which is 1 is the nearer number, that's why we wrote like this. For example, I want to write 4. In this, which is closer to 4? 5 is very closer. If we subtract 1 from 5, we will get 4. Okay. 4 is equals to what? 5 minus 1, that is 4. So 5. 5 means what? V is 5. 1. 1 means how much? If I write I, then 1. So subtraction means we should write the least number just before the bigger number. The small number if we write it before a bigger number, then its meaning what? Subtracting. So 4 we should write like that. 5 is this. Now I want to write 6. 6 means what? 5 plus 1. So 5 is V and plus means on the right side you have to write. After that you have to write. How much we have to add? 1. So this is. Next 7. 7 means what? 5 plus 2, 7. So first 5 plus means on the right side you have to write. How much you have to write? 2. 2 means what? 2 i's. Next 5 plus 3, that is how much? 8. So 5 plus 3 means like this we have to write. Next 9 is there. 9 is what? 10 minus 1, that is 9. 10 minus 1. So what we can write? 10 means x. Minus means where we have to write, just before we have to write. How much? 1. So this is what? 9. Next, x means 10. Like this, you will enter the Roman numbers in which class? In the 4th class also. So, if a smaller number is after a bigger number, then its meaning is adding. If a smaller number is just before a bigger number, then its meaning is subtract. Remember that one. Example, I am writing like this: XL. XL. What is this number? X means what? 10, and L means what? 50. X means 10, L means 50. A smaller number is before a bigger number. That's why its meaning is what? 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 means how much? 40. So 40, how can we write 40 in Roman letters? XL we can write. Okay? I am writing like this: XX. So x 10, another x 10. Both are side by side. Just add them. What you will get? 10. Oh, sorry, 20. 20 means XX. Okay? In this way you have to write the Roman numbers. So in the first bit, what we have? Write the Roman numbers for the following year. So first one is 18. How we can write 18 in Roman numbers? 18 means what? 10 plus 8. So in these numbers, for 18 which is closer? This is closer. That's why we are writing 10 plus 8. 10. 10 means x. 8 means what? Here we have written 8. What is that? V I. This is 18. Okay. Next digit is 36. Next one is 36. So which is closer means nothing is closer here. So 30. How many times we need for 30? 3 times. So x 30 and 6. How can we write 6? This is 6. So 36. Okay. Next 59. 59 means 50 is closer to that number. That's why 59. How can we write? 50 means 50 plus 9. 50. 50 means which one? L. Plus means on this side we have to write 9. 9 means what? This one. So this is 59. Okay. In this way we can write the Roman numbers. Try to write the first bit. We will discuss about it afterwards again.